If your business website looks like it's from a different decade, it probably is. And that might be the reason you're losing customers without even knowing it. In 2025, your website isn't just your online presence, it's your first impression. And just like in real life, you only get a few seconds to make it count. People are landing on your site from their phones, expecting speed, clarity, and trust. If they don't get it, they bounce. So how do you know it's time for a website refresh? Here are 5 signs to look out for. Your design looks outdated. If it still screams 2009, your visitors might be heading to your competitors by 2025. It's not mobile-friendly. Most of your traffic comes from phones. If your site doesn't adjust, they won't stick around. It loads slower than your morning coffee. In a world of 5G, anything slower than 3 seconds feels ancient. Your content hasn't aged well. Outdated service pages, pixelated images, or old blog posts? Visitors notice. Visitors aren't becoming leads. Your website should be working for you, guiding people, collecting info, and driving action. If it's not, it's time. The good news? Fixing it doesn't mean a total overhaul or a massive budget. At MarketinGear, we help small businesses refresh their websites to match today's expectations without breaking the bank. Let us take a quick look. You might just be one refresh away from turning more clicks into real customers.